Good morning everyone. Today in this class we will be discussing some more numericals of exercise 18.2 which is related to the area of some of the figures like trapezium and which includes the area which we have already discussed in our exercise 18.1, that is of square and rectangle. Okay, so here we will be starting with exercise 18.2, question number 8. Question 8, we are given the trapezium. Okay, this is the figure of the trapezium in which two sides are parallel and two other sides are non-parallel. And it is given that the area of the trapezium is given as 540 centimeters square. So very first we have drawn the figure of the trapezium and the sides are given in the ratios 5:7. So we have taken the side, the smaller side let us take as 5x and the bigger one as 7x. And it is given that the distance between these two parallel sides is 18 centimeter. So we know that area of trapezium is, there is a formula for the area of trapezium, that is half into sum of parallel side into distance between them. Now let us put the value which is given in our book. The area is given as 540, half sum of parallel side 7x plus 5x and the distance is 18. So 2 9s are 18. So here we will get 12x into 9 is equals to 540. Now what we have to find? We have to find the value of x, which is equals to 12 into 9. This will be 60 and 12 x. So we will get the value of x as 5. In question it is asking you to calculate length of parallel sides. Okay. Therefore, what is the length of the parallel side? Length one side was 7x, so this will give you 75. Okay, this will give you 35 centimeter, and the other one is 5x. This will give you 25 centimeter. So these are the two parallel sides. Okay, so we are given with the trapezium whose area is given as 540. The parallel sides are given as 5x and 7x, and the distance between these two parallel lines are given as 18 centimeter. So by using the formula for the area of trapezium, we have taken 540 is equals to half into the parallel side sum, that is 7x plus 5x, into the distance is 18. Now we have solved it and we found the value of x. Now substituting the same value of x in the equation 7x and 5x, that means multiplying the value of x with 7 and 5, we will get the length of the two parallel sides. I hope this question is clear. Now let us move to our next question, that is number 9. Now here we have part first of question number 9. This is the figure and all the dimensions are given. The dimensions which are given is having the unit centimeter. Okay. Now we have to find the area of this particular figure. So in order to find the area of this particular figure, because by looking into the figure we cannot just predict what is the figure given. So let us divide the figure into the different shapes. So if I draw this line, can you see this is in the shape of rectangle? Let us mark it as figure 1, and this is in the shape of trapezium. See, this figure is in the shape of trapezium. Two parallel sides and two non-parallel sides. So let me mark it as figure 2. Now first what we will do, we will find out the area of figure 1, area of first figure. So figure 1 is looking in the shape of rectangle. So we have length as 5 centimeter, breadth as 2 centimeter. So what will be the area? 5 into 2, that is 10 centimeters square. Done? Now let us move to the area of second figure. The second figure is in the form of a trapezium. So now before going into the second figure, let us find out the value of the parallel sides. One parallel side is given as 7. Okay. The other, this whole value is 7, but it is given as 2. So what will be the left? This will be obviously 5. So one side will be 3, the other side will be 5. Now what about this distance? See, this is given as 4, this top one is given as 4 and this is given as 5. So total it will be 9. Okay, let us find out the area. It will be half into sum of parallel side, that means 5 plus 3 into distance is 9. So that will be half into 8 into 9. That means it will be 36 centimeters square. So we have to find the total area. So total area will be the sum of both the figures. That means 10 plus 36, which will give you 46 centimeter square. I hope this is clear. We have found the area of figure 1, figure 2, and in order to find the total area of this given figure, we have added them both. Okay. Now let us go to the second part of question number 9. Okay, so here we have the second figure of question number 9, which is in the form of alphabet N. Okay. Now, in order to find this figure area, let us divide this given figure into 3 sub-figures. Let us divide by drawing a line here and by drawing a line here. Can you see? Let us name it as first, this as second, and this as third. Can you see this figure and this figure? They both are in the shape of rectangle. Can you see? First and third one, they both are in the shape of rectangle. Okay. Breadth is given as 2 for this also and for this also. Length is given as 9 for this as well as for this. So whatever will be the area of first figure, the same will be the area of third figure. So let us find out. Area of first is equals to area of third, because they both are in the shape of rectangle. So what this will be? Length 9 into breadth, that will give you 18 centimeters square. Okay. Now look into figure second. Now can you see this figure second is in the shape of trapezium? See, these two are parallel side. These and these two are parallel side. Okay. And this is the distance between them. This is the distance between them. Now, how to find out this parallel side? Here in this figure, this distance is given as 7. This whole is 9. So, what will be this small one? Obviously, this will be 2. Okay. So, this will be also 2 and this will be also 2. Now, look downside. Let us find out what is the distance between them. This whole is 9. This is 2. This is 2. So, what will be this? It will be 5. So, what will the area of second figure? Half into sum of parallel side. Parallels are 2 plus 2 into distance between them, that is 5. Half into 4 into 5. This will give you 10 centimeters square. Now, we have to find the area of the total figure, which is named as N. So, area of the figure will be area of first figure plus area of second figure plus area of third figure. So, first and third, both the areas are same. So, that will give you 46 centimeters square. Okay. Now, let us move to the last question of today's class. That is question number 10. Okay, now in question number 10, this is the given figure. Okay, the whole figure is looking in a shape of a trapezium. Okay, and this A, B, D, this is looking in the shape of a triangle. Okay, now what are the things asked in it? First, they are asking us to find the length AB. This length they are asking us to find. Can you see in this triangle? The angle A is 90 degree. So what about this side? Obviously this will be the hypotenuse. So by using Pythagoras theorem, we can easily find out the length of side AD. So what will be AD square by using Pythagoras? AD square is equals to hypotenuse square minus base square. Now we can further solve it by using A square minus B square, that is A plus B and A minus B. So further, this will give you 81 into 1. That means 81 centimeter square. Now we have to find out the side AD. So that will be equal to the square root of 81, which will be equal to 9 centimeter. Okay. So what is the length of the side AD? That is 9 centimeter. Alright. So we have this as 9 centimeter. Okay. Now, in second part, it is asking you to find out the area of the trapezium. Now, can you see that ABCD is the trapezium given, in which we have two parallel sides which are 15 and 40, and the distance between them is 9 centimeter. So, area of a trapezium is half into sum of parallel side, that means 40 plus 15, distance, that is 9. So this will give you half into 55 into 9. This will be giving you 9 5s are 45, and this will be 4 9 upon 2. On further simplification, we will get it as 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 2 7s are 0.5 centimeter square. That means we will get the area as 297.5 centimeter square. Okay. Now, this was the second part. Now, what is in the third part it is asking? Okay, there is one correction. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Sorry, this is 2 4s are 8. Okay, let's correct it.